Hello there, students and parents. Ms. Hess here, your Heidelberg librarian. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about how to access our electronic resources in MacVia. First of all, the directions for MacVia are located under my library page. First of all, you go to the HES Virtual Classrooms portal. That's where everybody's going through every day anyway. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a link for my library. So you click it, and you will see that I have electronic resource button, and it's also it comes underneath the library on the left-hand pane also. So you could click either one of those, and it will take you right to the directions for how to log in for MacVia. Okay, so what is MacVia? It is a plethora, a treasure chest of electronic resources that are really amazing. So I'm going to switch over here to the MacVia site. I'm not going to overwhelm you today with all the possibilities, but on the left-hand pane, you can see that we have electronic books that the kids can check out and read either on their tablets or on the computer. MacVia has an app that you can download if they have a tablet that they like to read on. We have a database tab. That's where I'm going to take you in just a couple moments. There's some audiobooks, a few video link for student tube, but that's really not that important for your little kids. And there's also some links that have awesome sites to Scholastic that also read books for the kids. So today we're just going to focus on one little piece. We're going to go ahead and go to databases. And at the top of the page, you'll see that Heidelberg has 27 databases. And it can be overwhelming, but we're just going to start small. So first of all, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. I won't go fast because I don't want to make you sick. I get kind of sick if I watch over somebody's shoulder and they're going fast on the computer. So if you go all the way down, we'll go past Pebble Go, all kinds of resources, but we'll keep scrolling down. We're going to the bottom of the page, which is the Tumble Books. This is such an awesome place. So all you have to do is click Open Now, and that will open up. And you'll see there's a lot of different tabs that you can go to. Let you explore that on your own. But I just wanted to demo just one little thing so you can get an idea of what it looks and sounds like. So I like to always have a look at the storybook of the day. How about this Pierre Le Pouf? All right, let's go to that one. And you would just click on play video. And it starts up.
Pierre Le Pouf was a pedigree pooch, and every morning he sat nicely while Miss Murphy puffed his pom-pom. One day you'll win the championship, she would coo. Pierre loved Miss Murphy, but he didn't care about championships.
Okay, and you know the really nice thing about Tumble Books is that as the reader is reading the words, as you can see on your screen, they light up in a different color. So that is a really nice feature. So I wanted to let you know about this Tumble Books resource. We'll just start there for today. And I hope that you enjoy getting into MacVia. And after your children enjoy that for a little bit, maybe you can explore some of the other databases in there. All right, everybody, take care. Have a good day.